back to Arctic RC. Today we are going to talk about RC Fails, and this will of course be the RC Fails Vol.3. From time to time we do crash, and luckily we have it on video and we can post it and share it with you guys. And some of the crashes are hilarious and funny. Then again, some other crashes can be quite sad when it's a very special model or an expensive model, of course. During reviews, we are taking like 4 or 5 takeoffs and landings to test out the plane and of course see how it flies so that we can give you the honest review. But then again, then we can have some personal problems because pilot skills is one, and you have wind, that is 2, and of course where we are taking off from. One of the planes we haven't posted a review of, a flight review, due to the bad handling this plane had. So we have done some modifications on this plane, sent it back to the fabric and told them what we think could be a better fix for it. And of course now we will fly it, but we have some shots from the test flight that didn't go too well. All the shot we did this day was in very hard crosswind, but we had to do the flight reviews before the snow came back again, so enjoy. Whoops.
That was a good one.
There are many things that can go wrong during these test flights, and of course one of them is when you change the airfield to a new location and the field that you're going to land on is more narrow than you're used to, and of course when it's even longer you have a problem where to put it down. So here are some clips where I actually had some problem with my depth sights.
Okay, I landed there.
Yep.
Where you call me to go, where you call me to go, where you call me to go, beyond, where you call me to go.
Some planes flies on rails. They are so beautiful to fly that you ignore other things or obstacles that can be in your way. Here is one obstacle that we didn't think of: a road stick.
Okay.
You landed it, yes.
Sometimes when you do a fresh flight review with a plane you have never flown before, it will take off in 1 meter and you will be like, wow, didn't need any long airfield. And the same when you're going to land it. When the plane is down on the ground and a little touch on the rudder and the plane starts to bounce around like braking, or the rudder authority on the side rudder is even bigger than you thought it was.
Hey.
Ah!
Hæ? Har han snudd?
As I've mentioned in videos before, I hate flying wings. I like it when they fly great, but my biggest problem is throwing it or hand launch it myself. This one had wings that was mounted with magnets, so that if you crash, the wings would fall off and not break. But the big problem here is that these magnets, if you have something, just something that does that you haven't any connection between the magnet and the metal, the wing wouldn't be attached as it should be. So that would result in me throwing it and the wing loosen during the throw.
That was the wing loosened when I pulled it.
Yes.
I hate this wing. Okay, now
What?
I didn't have any elevator.
Okay.
I will not give up.
You have elevator now.
I just need to plug the servo in first.
Okay, yeah, that's a good idea.